Aerial shot of a HAL Tejas roaring through the skies, Indian Air Force IAF markings glinting in the sun. Studio microphone narrator voiceover. In the skies above South Asia, a new force is emerging, sleek, agile, and made in India. It is the HAL Tejas, the pride of Indian aerospace engineering. In 2025, this indigenous multi-role combat aircraft is no longer a prototype or a limited squadron, it's a frontline warrior of the Indian Air Force. Hammer and wrench development and evolution. Cut to archive footage of early Tejas prototypes from the 2000s. Studio microphone narrator. The story of Tejas began in the 1980s, when India initiated the Light Combat Aircraft (LCA) program to replace its aging MiG-21 fleet. After decades of trials, redesigns, and perseverance, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) successfully delivered the Tejas Mk1. But in 2025, it's the Tejas Mk1A and the awaited Mk2 that are making headlines. These jets are far more than the original design, they are faster, deadlier, and smarter. Airplane variants in service 2025. Split-screen comparison of Tejas Mk1, Mk1A, and Mk2. Studio microphone narrator. 1. Tejas Mk1. Entered service in 2016. Equipped with Israeli LM-2032 radar, limited weapons load. Served as the base for future upgrades. 2. Tejas Mk1A 2024-2025. In service now in 2025. AESA radar, LM-2052 or Uttam Indigenous. Mid-air refueling capability, Advanced Electronic Warfare Suite, Indigenous Digital Flight Control Computer. 43 jets ordered, first few squadrons deployed in western and northern India. 3. Tejas Mk2 in prototype testing. Medium-weight multi-role fighter, new GEF 414 engine with more thrust. Larger airframe, more fuel and weapon stations. Designed to replace Mirage 2000 and Jaguar fleets by late 2020s. Maiden flight expected in 2025. Brain Avionics and Weapons 2025. Cockpit View and Weapon Systems Demo. Studio microphone narrator. The Tejas is now equipped with AESA radar Uttam Indigenous radar giving long-range target detection and tracking. Helmet-mounted display HMD pilots can lock onto targets just by looking at them. Glass cockpit, fully digital displays. Electronic Warfare Suite DRDOs, MAAVI, jamming, countermeasures, and self-protection. Collision weapons carried, air-to-air missiles. Astra Mk1 and Mk2, Python 5, Derby Air-to-ground. Spice 2000, LGBs, BrahMos NG under development. Bombs, DRDO SAAW, cluster and precision bombs. Gun, GSH-23 twin-barrel autocannon. Rocket performance, Tejas flying low at high speed, pulling Gs. Studio microphone narrator, max speed, Mach 1.6. Combat radius, approximately 500 kilometers. Service ceiling, 52,000 feet. Thrust-to-weight ratio, excellent agility, ideal for dogfighting. DNA indigenous content and self-reliance. Factory footage of HAL Bengaluru and DRDO labs. Studio microphone narrator. In 2025, the Tejas is over 75% indigenous, a major leap from its early Israeli components. Radar. Developed by LRDE Uttam AESA. Engine. GEF 404 F414, still foreign, but cavalry engine trials ongoing. Weapons. Astra, SAAW, BrahMos NG, and Indian bombs. India's defense push under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Self-Reliant India initiative sees the Tejas as a symbol of aerospace independence. Globe strategic role in 2025. Map showing Tejas squadrons deployed across India. Studio microphone narrator. Western Front. Guarding against Pakistan's JF-17 and F-16. Eastern Sector. Ready to intercept any Chinese aerial activity. Naval Tejas TEDBF being designed for India's aircraft carriers, replacing MiG-29Ks. The Tejas is not just a defensive asset but a strategic projection of India's aerospace capability. Handshake export potential. Footage of International Defense Expos, Tejas on display. Studio microphone narrator. In 2025, HAL has received export interest from Argentina, Philippines, Egypt, Malaysia, still evaluating. The Tejas, with its low cost, high agility, and indigenous pedigree, is an attractive platform for countries looking to modernize without relying on superpower suppliers. Checkered flag conclusion. Tejas formation flying at Republic Day Parade, tricolor trailing. Studio microphone narrator, voiceover. The HAL Tejas has taken 3 decades to evolve. But in 2025, it's no longer a project, it's a pillar of Indian air power. Agile in air combat, powerful in precision strikes, and proudly Indian in its soul, the Tejas has finally arrived. Final words appear on screen. Shield HAL Tejas, born in India, built for the world.